2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Dressed in the stunning and sophisticated Lunar Blue Metallic, the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 commands attention like a modern masterpiece on wheels. Its elegant design lines flow seamlessly across the body, while the panoramic sliding sunroof opens up the sky above, bringing a sense of freedom and refinement to every drive. Striking details like the 21-inch triple 5-spoke wheels and illuminated running boards make this SUV a true work of art in motion. Step inside, and you're greeted by the warm elegance of the Macchiato Beige and black interior. Heated rear seats and a heated steering wheel ensure cozy comfort even on the chilliest winter days, while the 5-zone climate control system allows every passenger to set their perfect temperature, delivering ultimate comfort for all. Under the hood lies a 3.0-liter Inline-6 Biturbo engine with EQ boost, blending smooth performance with powerful acceleration. Paired with all-wheel drive, this GLS 450 is ready to take you anywhere with confidence, whether cruising city streets or exploring winding roads. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 is the perfect harmony of technology, design, and performance. A luxury SUV that transforms every journey into an extraordinary experience. Special price, $49,995. Available now at Kingstowne Motorcars.